What you are witnessing is a leap forward in microscopy, using a smart device as the optical micrograph creator. This patent-pending invention, the InVersys, captures images and videos of samples with the objective beneath it, which allows for investigating materials that require a covering or an aqueous solution to maintain stability. The InVersys permits the user to investigate microscopic phenomena, anywhere. This durable, lightweight, inexpensive solution accommodates a myriad of smart devices. Using a smart device to capture such images and video allows the researcher to seamlessly edit, compile, and share their discoveries. It is perfect for learning remotely, allowing the student to independently investigate the specimen and send their teacher the image or video for proof of completion. For the classroom, where students can collectively research a coordinated material and use their media for a laboratory report, or for the professor to give a live demonstration of the substance in question. The InVersys is a versatile apparatus that can even mount a smart device above the sample, giving a steady top view of the sample in question, using the adjustable magnifying loop to be in focus with the back camera. The magnified image is then readily available to be photographed or recorded. Once the examination is complete, the smart device can be removed, along with the sample, leaving a platform that is ready for the next analysis. Are you curious to what exists past the limits of human sight? Let's conquer that curiosity with InVersys.